Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you a quick guide to edit your video with VN application. So VN application is video editing. It's just like CapCut. So you just need to open the VN application, make sure you install with this icon symbols, and then just tap to open it. Wait until the VN application is perfectly open on your screen. And the next, if you want to create a new project, you just need to go tap into this plus button on the bottom side here, and then you just need to tap on it, and you just need to go tap into new project, and you can go click this become a video based here, and then just go click save. Now pick the video that you want to edit, go click this to add into your project. Now you already have this clip for the video project. And again, if you want to delete the watermark, just tap into the clip of the watermark and delete. Now you can edit everything here. If you want to do a simple edit, that could be a filter and effects, so you can get a lot of effects that you can adjust to make your video become great or better. There could be a spin, so that your video gonna be spinned. You can also adjusting for the blur one to get a blur effect, so that will be a fuzzy or chromosome. You can also adjusting. The way how you can adjust is just by drag this point into this specific area that you want to apply it, and you can have a check for it. And right after you're done, you can also click this checklist button, and then you are done for editing this video. And the next thing you need to do is just export this video into your mobile phone by go tap into this icon. You can adjusting the quality for the video. That could be a export setting for 4K 60 FPS for the best resolutions, or if you want to get the normal one or regular, you just need to go tap into this 1080p. Why? Because the resolution also can affecting the size of the files. Right after you deal with everything, you just need to tap into export and wait until the video is perfectly saved into your phone. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming tutorial. Thank you for watching, and let's meet again into other tutorial.